When handling challenges, it's really up to you to determine how it goes. Your dog is always looking to you for information, always, right? In training and especially at competitions. So if you get nervous and frenetic, or if you get really emotional and you get completely distracted, you are going to act different than you do in training. And that is going to confuse the heck out of your dog. Your dog's going to get really worried and you're going to start to have problems. You have to pick what's best for you and your dog, but the main thing is that you need to practice warming up, putting him away, warming up, putting him away, because that's going to happen to you, and then you're prepared, and then your dog's going to be fine. So we do our pretend ring entrance. I'm sitting him away from the judge, right? And I'm going to hand the steward the leash. And I'm going to mark and reward that. And then we're going to do a different ring entrance. Here, see, they're bringing me the dumbbell. He didn't love that because the judge was pressure here and she was coming there because he's very inexperienced. All right, so I realized that I probably could have handled that a little bit better because I didn't foresee the judge putting pressure on. So I probably should have faced him the other way. But again, I hold it together. I stay calm. I give him the normal amount of information like I do in training, and he's able to work through it, and we can do the dumbbell.